The Faroe Islands, an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark, is a charming place known for its breathtaking scenery and unique culture. Located in the North Atlantic Ocean, this archipelago consists of 18 volcanic islands and is known for its craggy mountains and picturesque villages. Tourism in the Faroe Islands has grown steadily over the years as more and more people discover its hidden treasures. Visitors are attracted to its unspoiled charm and tranquility, away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Travelers also have the opportunity to immerse themselves in local traditions and customs. The Faroese are known for their warm hospitality and strong ties to their Viking roots. Visitors can take part in traditional festivals or enjoy local delicacies. Whether you are an adventurer looking to hike exciting trails or simply seeking solace in the embrace of nature, a visit to the Faroe Islands promises an unforgettable experience.